You are going to just love the next recipe that I'm going to show you. Sweet and citrusy, candied buckwheat with orange. I love oranges. Did you know that orange trees can produce fruit for 50 to 80 years and sometimes longer? And then there is that heavenly blossom. Orange flowers are renowned for their beautiful fragrance that advertises the amazing benefits of the fruit the tree is soon to produce. It's not surprising that their cultivation as a food goes way back. In fact, they are mentioned in ancient Chinese writings that go back over 2,000 years. In this recipe, we're going to be using the peel and the juice. Although usually discarded, orange peel is full of nutritional benefits, which are preserved at their very best when the peel is taken from fresh organic oranges. Orange peel is rich in powerful antioxidants, and like the juicy flesh of the fruit, it's high in vitamin C. Its antihistamine components are even used to help with allergies and irritations, as well as being used to support the lungs when people have respiratory problems. Aren't oranges just amazing? From fruit to peel, they're packed full of nutritional benefits. One of my favourite recipes using orange is candied orange peel, which I showed you how to make in level 1. Although the rind tastes bitter on its own, when coconut sugar and a pinch of salt are added, the flavours harmonise beautifully to create a really exquisite treat which tingles on your tongue. And in this recipe we're going to use the juice as well as the peel to make candied orange buckwheat. The orange juice is a fantastic carrier for the flavours and ensures the sweet, warm taste permeates right through the buckwheat. Whether you use the final product as a wonderful texture in your chocolate or eat it as it is, you may well find this sweet tangy treat to be really addictive. This is what you'll need for 150 grams of buckwheat. 75 grams of coconut sugar, the rind and juice of an organic orange, and a pinch of salt. So to begin with, soak your buckwheat for an hour or more as usual and rinse well. Prepare your orange peel using a sharp knife. Chop into small pieces. You can use a microplane like this, in which case you'll get a finer result. To your soaked and rinsed buckwheat, add the coconut sugar, the orange rind, the orange juice, and a pinch of salt. Enjoy mixing all the ingredients and the warm, summery smell that arises. Spread onto a dehydrated Teflon sheet and dehydrate for approximately 24 hours. It will need plenty of time for the juices to dry out. Then flip onto a mesh sheet for a further 12 hours or more. When I made this batch, I dehydrated them until they were still quite chewy, rather than leaving them to go crunchy, and I was very pleased with the results. See, nice and sticky. Store it in an airtight container and it will keep well, but you probably won't need it to.